Let's go.
All right, guys, happy Friday. Amir Garami, welcome to Mortgage Intelligently. Have my partner in crime, Ray Cruz. And today's agenda, if you could see it behind my big head, is MCF, exclusive portfolio loans. So today we're going to discuss this program because you have requested it so much. We get a lot of calls in regards to this program. Ray is going to be our professor. He's going to take it away. Ray, tell us about the stated income programs that we offer at MCF.
Thanks, Amir. Yes, definitely our number one inquired program here at MCF is the stated income home loan program. So just on a high level, talk about some of the requirements on the program. First of all, it's available for primary residences and investment properties. We opened up to primary residences a couple months ago. So now it's available to both. Down payment requirements on the program is anywhere from 10% up to 30% or more. Really depends on the credit criteria and assets that each individual borrower has. Credit score wise, we're looking at a credit score of 680 or higher. Ideally, 680 is really what we're looking for. We will do lower credit scores down to about 640, 650 on a case-by-case basis if the borrower has sufficient assets and reserves. And we'll also underwrite the collateral, the property, take a look at that as well. That's pretty much it on a high-level basis as far as the criteria goes, Amir.
All right, so those are the requirements. Now, can you share with us a real-life case study type of scenario so that everyone gets an idea of how this would play out in the real world?
Sure. So just a few days ago, we had a physician call in, a client call in, is a physician. They are W-2'd, but they were also a partner in the practice that they work in. So the W-2 income, was, I believe it was around $95,000, $100,000 annually. The business returns showed a loss, an annual loss. So this borrower, went to their current financial institution, who, by the way, holds their retirement account, all of their accounts, a total of about $5 million in assets this borrower has, got turned down. Went to a couple of different, went to a couple of different banks, got turned down. So she contacted us, referred to us by one of our partners. This lady's buying a $2.5 million property, putting $1 million down. It's got credit scores over 800. To us, it's almost like a no-brainer. How, why would you not lend to this lady, right? So we went over the product with her, explained the criteria. She literally checked off every single box. We were able to pre-approve her. And, not only that, she's now ratified and closing in 30 days.
Wow. That's amazing. What stood out for me was the fact that having $5 million in assets with your own bank and they reject you on a no-brainer deal. Takeaway for me, two things. We got a homeowner into a house that they wanted. We made that happen. And two, we rescued, you said it was a $2.5 million deal.
$2.5 million purchase.
Right. We rescued about $130,000 of hard-earned commission for both the listing agent and the buyer's agent. So kudos to you, Ray. Kudos to the MCF Stated Income Program. Guys, tune in to us every Monday. We have the MID program. It's on YouTube as well, too. It's called the MID, Mortgage Intelligently Deal Desk, where we actually dive into it, Ray and I, into deals that we have closed and funded using this program. Thank you guys for joining us for episode number 2. It's going to be episode number 3 comes out every Friday at 12 noon PST, 3 p.m. Eastern. Guys, have a good weekend. Take good care.
Take care. Have a good weekend, everyone.